Hello, eco-conscious coffee lovers. Welcome to another exciting episode of CoffeeLoversHub. Today, we're on a mission to explore the fantastic world of coffee and sustainable living. Get ready to sip sustainably and discover how your daily brew can make a positive impact on the planet. Our journey begins with a look at the broader eco-friendly coffee landscape. From farm to cup, we'll explore the sustainable practices that go into your favorite brew. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification button to always know when we post such informative coffee videos. Did you know coffee grounds are a treasure trove for your garden? Join us in learning the art of composting coffee grounds and discover how to turn waste into garden gold. Next, we'll explore eco-conscious coffee packaging. From biodegradable bags to innovative solutions, find out how brands are reducing their environmental footprint. It's time to ditch disposable filters. Dive into the world of reusable coffee filters, explore different types, and see how they can save you money while saving the earth. Ever wondered what goes on at sustainable coffee farms? We're taking you on an exciting virtual tour to meet farmers dedicated to ethical and eco-friendly practices. Get your creative hats on. We'll show you fun and inventive ways to upcycle coffee-related items into fantastic DIY projects, from coffee candles to decor. We'll explore the bright side of coffee roasting, solar-powered roasteries. Find out how they harness the sun's energy for a greener, cleaner roast. Join us as we delve into the world of fair trade and organic coffee. Learn how these certifications benefit farmers, ecosystems, and your coffee. Our favorite coffee shops play a role too. Discover how some cafes are adopting sustainable practices, from sourcing beans to eco-friendly decor. In conclusion, sustainable coffee living isn't just a trend, it's a responsibility. We've explored composting, reusable filters, eco-packaging, and more. Now, it's your turn to make a difference. Thanks for joining us on this eco-adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sustainable coffee tips. Until next time on Coffee Lovers Hub, let's brew a better world, one cup at a time.